I'll start by doing it on the slip knot and 6 chains. I insert the needle into the first chain, and I make a slip stitch. I make 5 chains. Tie the thread, inserting the needle into the magic ring. And here I make a double crochet. Now I make 2 chains and 1 double crochet inside the magic ring. Let's go to work. 2 chains and 1 double crochet until we get 6 repetitions. Already counting the initial chains, following, I will introduce the needle into the third initial chain and close with a slip stitch. For the second round, I will start by making a chain. The wire loop introduces the needle behind the first stitch of the previous round, and which I make a front post double crochet. After making this double crochet, loop and work 2 double crochet. Here in the previous row, chain space. Work 2 chains and 2 more double crochet here in the same space. Loop the thread and at the double crochet of the base. Let's get the stitch behind and make a front post double crochet as before. Within the space of chains, let's work 2 double crochet. Following 2 chains and 2 more double crochet in the same space. Here at the double crochet of the base. Again, work a front post double crochet. We will continue this way, all around. Here at the end of the tour, make 1 slip stitch. On the first point, for third volta. Let's start by making 1 chain and here where we made the first front post double crochet from previous row. Let's do a front post double crochet. The wire loop, and here within the space of the previous row chains, let's do 3 double crochet. Work 2 chains and 3 more double crochet here in the same space. Following Make one front post double crochet in the same space where we made the front post double crochet from the previous row. Let's continue this way, all around. To close the third round, make a slip stitch. Here on the front post, double crochet. For the next few rounds, let's work as follows. I will walk with the slip stitch until you arrive within the first space of the chains. Following, I make 3 chains to give height of 1 double crochet and work 2 more double crochet within the same space. I make 2 chains, and within the same space, I will work 3 double crochet. Now on the next front post double crochet, I insert the needle and make another front post double crochet. You wire loop, and within the space of chains, let's do 3 double crochet. Two chains, and 3 more double crochet in the same space. I make a front post double crochet on top of the front post double crochet of the previous row. I go all around like this. We go to work. This way. Same we did on this lap. For 4 laps. Then up to row 7, we will follow with the same instructions. I did all my laps with us, and the piece was like this. For the next round, let's walk with a slip stitch to the next space of chains. Here in this space, I make 3 chains to give height of 1 double crochet. And inside space, work, 3 double crochet. After making the 3 double crochet, let's keep 4 in total. I do 2 chains and 4 more double crochet in the same space. will stay this way. Now on the front post double crochet of the previous row. Let's work on one more front post double crochet. In the next space, work 4 double crochet. After making the 4 double crochet, let's work 2 chains and 4 more double crochet in the same space. I repeat these instructions all around. For the next round, let's start by making the slip stitch until we arrive in space with the 2 chains. For this turn, let's go to work. Same we did in the previous career, in the same way. So let's repeat the information we did in the previous career. Here, this first fan. Start with 3 chains. After 3 double crochet, separate with 2 chains. I do 4 double crochet in the same space. A front post double crochet on top of the front post double crochet of the previous row. And we will go on like this all around. To continue, finish with the tapestry needle. And if you prefer, you can also finish with a slip stitch. At the top of the piece. Made 1 slip knot. Introduce the needle in the middle of the point, taking 1 or 2 dot handles. Work 8 chains, or how many you find necessary. I jump 2 points from the base. Then I insert the needle into the next point. And I make a slip stitch. This strap has to go parallel. Now you can put a detail. Make a detail with the satin ribbon. A small loop. Here at the top of the piece. And this is the result of our today's Christmas bell. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked, don't forget to leave your like. And also subscribe here on the channel in case you like crochet pieces. Thank you very much for watching me here. A big hug. And until the next video,